So what size of prints sells best? This is a question that I'm most often asked in all of the comments of my YouTube videos. And so I thought I would share with you some of the different things that I've learned over the last 10 years of selling art in person and online today, because I'm here in my studio, I'm making prints and packaging orders. I sell all sorts of different sizes of prints. But the thing is, all of my prints fit standard frame sizes. So this is probably my largest size of print. It is a 24 by 36. You can see it here. Hopefully it's all fitting in the camera frame. This is quite a large print. I print it on the printer. You can see back there, it's my Epson P6000. I also make a lot of smaller size prints. This one is a 13 by 19 size. And this again is a standard frame size print, so people can just go get 13 by 19 inch frames at Hobby Lobby or Michaels or even on Amazon. I make this size of print and all of the other smaller sizes like 17 by 22 and lower with my Epson P900 printer. And so here's the thing, if you're selling online, you want to have a range of sizes, especially larger sizes, because what I found is customers who are purchasing from me online tend to want to get these bigger sizes rather than the smaller sizes. But when it comes to my in-person events, I always sell my 8 by 10 size prints best. And honestly, I think this is not because of the size, but because it's the cheapest thing I have in my art fair booth. Or when I had my store in the mall, it was the cheapest size print that I had available there as well. Another point to make is that I sell my 8 by 10 size prints for like $17.99, sometimes $19.99, depending on the venue that I'm selling them at. And this is a really easy buying decision for a customer. It's a no-brainer to think this beautiful artwork, 20 bucks. I think if I were selling larger sizes for $20, they would probably sell really quickly as well. I think that it's a combination between the size being an easy frameable size and the price point being under $20 is why I have so many sales of this particular size print. Customers often, when they are shopping in person, at least for me, they are being an impulse buyer at that point. They're walking by my art fair booth, they see my colorful dog painting, their kid might want it for their bedroom wall, and so they purchase it as they're walking through the art fair. They're not putting much thought into it. But online, it gives them more time to think about it, and with time, if they do think about it, they realize that they probably want that larger size. And that's why I think online it's important to have a variety of sizes available. But in person, I found two sizes to be best. You don't want to give people so many choices that they get stuck trying to figure out what size would be best, what artwork they like most. Too many options gives the person cognitive dissonance who is shopping oftentimes, I guess is another way to say it. And so I usually at shows just have my 8 by 10 size prints and my 16 by 20 size prints, and it makes it simple for the customer to choose the size that they want, and also simple for me because I don't have to carry all that different inventory sizes in every different style of artwork that I make to the shows. Because if I did, I'd have to have like a huge truck, like maybe a box truck or a semi or something, if I stocked all 300 of my prints in every single size. It's just not practical. And so streamlining everything into two sizes and only carrying a few of the larger sizes like my best sellers, but everything in my smaller size. So I hope that answers your question. If you would like to learn more about selling your art prints, check out this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.